to paint jellyfish.
Okay.
It has a jellyfish inside and water and bottle.
Okay.
And jellyfish is swim in water. Jellyfish in the water. Jellyfish swimming in the water. But this is a jellyfish swimming in the bowl.
Okay.
I like jellyfish. I can make a jellyfish. To make a jellyfish is easy. But jellyfish is not difficult.
Okay.
But it's easy.
Do you like it?
Yes, Triana.
Okay.
I didn't.
Good job.